Hey everybody, it's Miss Becky. I am back for story time with Loosey Goosey, honk honk honk. And again, we're inside Miss Becky's house because right now people are sick, so we have to stay inside our house and be as healthy as we can. So Miss Lucy and I were talking about the last story time that we did. And, whoops, excuse me, Mr. Weasley. I forgot to introduce you to Mr. Weasley. He is an assistant as well. And Miss Annie, my dogs that like to help with everything. So Lucy and I were talking about the last story time that we did. And I had shown you how we have egg shakers, but I forgot to use them. So we thought today we would demonstrate a lot of songs and rhymes and finger plays using egg shakers. So I am going to put Miss Lucy down right now, and she's going to guard the eggs right here. Let me see, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 eggs. And if you don't have any egg shakers at home, you can improvise. You can make some of your own using like a toilet paper roll and masking tape on the ends and stick some little beans in there. Or you can order egg shakers online and have them delivered to your home if you want to do that. When we get back into the library in another month or so, we will have egg shakers at the library that you can borrow when we have story time in person again. But today we are going to start with hello friends, hello friends, hello friends, it's time to say hello. Very good. I think, as you can see, Mr. Weasley and Annie are friends. And they are dogs, so they don't have to practice social distancing. It is perfectly okay for them to kiss each other. And it's also okay for us to kiss on our dogs and hug on our dogs and our family too. Our moms and our dads and our grandmas and grandpas that live with you, it's okay to hug and kiss on them right now. It's just people that don't live inside your house we have to not hug right now, but that's okay because we'll get over this and we'll be back to hugging pretty soon, right? All right, let's do, the first one we're gonna do, I'm gonna see if you can follow directions. I have 2 egg shakers here, and this one is called Egg Shakers Up. Are you ready? Egg shakers up, egg shakers down, egg shakers dancing all around the town. Dance them on your shoulders, dance them on your head, dance them on your knees, and tuck them into bed. I think the dogs are gonna wake up if they keep barking. All right, let's tuck the eggs in bed. Now let's do, I have a good one. Let's do 5 fat sausages. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fat sausages sizzling in a pan. All of a sudden, one went bam! So there were 4 fat sausages sizzling in a pan. All of a sudden, one went bam! And there were 3 fat sausages sizzling in a pan. All of a sudden, one went bam! And there were 2 fat sausages sizzling in a pan. All of a sudden, one went bam! And there was 1 fat sausage sizzling in a pan. All of a sudden, it went bam! And there were no more fat sausages left in the pan. What are you guys gonna do? There's no sausages left. That's okay. I have an idea. We are gonna take 5 eggs, and we're gonna pretend that this is our pan. This is gonna be really hard for you if you're a little tiny kid. Oh yeah, Mr. Weasley? So you're gonna need a grown-up to help you with this because it's a tricky one. So this is our pot, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 little eggs. Let me see if I can get them to boil. There we go. 5 little eggs boiling in a pot. All of a sudden, one went kerplop. 4 little eggs boiling in a pot. All of a sudden, one went kerplop. 3 little eggs boiling in a pot. All of a sudden, one went kerplop. 2 little eggs boiling in a pot. All of a sudden, one went kerplop. So there was 1 little egg boiling in the pot. All of a sudden, it went kerplop. Oh no, no eggs left boiling in the pot. Time to check inside the fridge to see what else we've got. Oh, that was a good one. Very good. All right, let's pick up our eggs. 1, 2, 3. Here we go, Miss Lucy. 4, 5 eggs. And since we had to check inside our fridge to see what else we've got, I thought we could do a quick one called Bread and Jam that is to the tune of Deep and Wide. And it goes like this. Bread and jam, bread and jam, that is all that's left for breakfast, bread and jam. Bread and jam, bread and jam, that is all that's left for breakfast, bread and jam. Oh well, sometimes I like to just randomly pick a tune like Deep and Wide and start narrating my day, and that's always a fun early literacy skill you can do at home. So if you discover that you're out of sausage and eggs, you can just say bread and jam, that is all that's left for breakfast, bread and jam. But don't worry, because it's not true. There's actually, the dogs are getting crazy. I think that they're ready for some lunch or breakfast or whatever time of day you're watching this. I am going to pause this video because the dogs are going crazy, and I will come back in a minute.